Are you always ordering stuff from Jumia but you're not getting any money back from it? Well, today's video is going to be for you because I'm going to teach you guys how you can actually make orders from Jumia and also get the part of that money you're actually paying for. Either you're ordering from Jumia or you're not. I'm going to teach you guys how to actually make money from Jumia. So stick with me and stay around to the very end of this video. And if you're actually new to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe because I upload daily on how to actually make money online, business strategies, business ideas, anything you can actually think of concerning making money online. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, let's hop into the system. Okay guys, as you can see, we're now in the system. So I'm going to drop the link to the KOL.jumia.com in the description below. So all you need to do is just to click on the link. So let's start. First things first, you want to either click on register or you want to click on join now, whichever. So I'm going to click on join now, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to be using my bot account to show you guys how to actually do this step by step. So my first name, okay, I'm going to go for Kid Kes, all right. Last name, Sinton, okay. Then your email address, I'm going to go for this bot account, and then you enter your password, okay. Okay, you select your country. As for me, whichever country you're in, but as for me, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to go to Nigeria over here. Then you enter your phone number, okay. Okay, and then select your account type. Select your account type. So now you actually want to help share links to get a commission. So now they're asking you, okay, on this your website or on this your social media platform, how much of a person, how much fame do you actually have? So the first thing here we have is creator stroke micro influencer starting from 5,000 followers. Okay, we have the mega influencer over here starting from 100,000 followers. Okay, and we have the affiliate. So better still, we're just going to go for affiliates, individual business. I think this will be the best option. Okay, and then you want to come over here, website stroke social media. All right, so you just want to write your probably your website address or your name or your social media link, whichever. So as for me, I'm going to put in my YouTube link. Okay, so that's going to be https, okay, then youtube.com/kidkes. Okay, so you just want to click on agree with terms and condition, okay, and then you click on register. So as you can see, immediately you click on register, you need to verify your email address, and this will be done by going to your inbox. So I already have mine logged in over here, so I'm just going to click on this. You can see verify email address, Jumia KOL. Okay, so you just want to enter and then click verify email address. Okay, and then once you click on this, you're actually registered already and you're good to go. As you can see, I have my name over here, Kitkas Kesintin. Okay, Jumia Black Friday, and yes, as you can see, Jumia is actually on the Black Friday already from the 4th to 30th of this month. So as of today, when I'm actually recording this video, you can actually use this opportunity to make a lot out of this affiliate marketing. Okay, so what you want to do right now is, as you can see, we have please update your payment information. So you want to click on this because definitely you want to make money from it. You need to add your details, you need to add everything about you. Okay, so now account details, you need to add your streets. Let me just say I stay in Brakata Street. All right, so it's just the just the test. Okay, you need to put your exact street name. This is just the bot account. Okay, so I'm going to write Bill Street. That's my street. So then your postal code. Okay, if you don't know your postal code, you just need to go to Google. Okay, for example, I'm going to show you guys postal code for, let's say you are in Mushin, for example, in Lagos, whichever state you are in or whichever country. Just want to input it on Google, enter. As you can see, we have some postal codes over here. Okay, so I'm just going to go for this one. Let's assume I'm in Mushin, so I'm going to go for 100253. Then I come in back here. All right, 100253. Okay, and your city, so I can just write Lagos. okay, and country Nigeria. So you're good to go. Then what you want to do right now is to click on save changes. Okay, so now we are done with that aspect of address, and now we're moving further to the bank details info. Okay, so all you want to do right now is pay. As you can see, we have payout methods available for Nigeria. Depending on your country, you might have other options, but as for me, I only have the bank transfer over here. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, so what you want to do right now is to enter your bank name. As for me in Nigeria, let's say my bank is whichever bank. My bank is GT Bank or Wema Bank, whichever. I just want to input it over here. Okay, so let's say Guarantee Trust Bank. Okay, and then you want to input your bank account number. Okay, so let's say my bank account number is this. Okay, it's just a fake one. Okay, and then you want to enter your Swift code. In case you don't know how to get your Swift code, I'm going to drop the link in the description below. Basically, I'm just going to open it here. I already have it opened. Okay, so when you click on the link, this is where you're going to come to. So all you want to do right now is to look for your bank. As for my bank, I'm going to go for GT Bank. Okay, GTB. So I'm going to copy this exact one. Okay, so I'm going to click on it and then click to copy. So once I've copied it, I'm going to come back to the page and then paste it. Okay, and then select your currency. Definitely our currency in Nigeria here is NGN, Naira. Okay, so all you want to do after filling all these bank details is to click on confirm. Okay, so after you've confirmed, as you can see, your payout details saved with success. So that's basically all you need to do in terms of, filling infos, profile infos. So that's basically how to sign up, and start. So now in order to start earning, which is the main deal, okay, all you want to do right now is to click on advertising over here. Okay, so under advertising, you can see offers and custom links. So I'm going to start with what offers is about. So you want to click on it. And then you have Jumia e-commerce over here. You want to click on it. Okay, and then you want to pick your country. Okay, so I'm going to pick Nigeria over here. And then as you can see, Jumia is actually doing their Black Friday currently. So now you want to think of what people would actually be buying right now on Jumia. Okay, so what you want to do right now is to actually look for a category where you know that people are actually buying stuff right now from Black Friday. Okay, we even right now there's Black Friday in Jumia. Even if there is no Black Friday, whichever, you look for items where a lot of people are always ordering stuffs. Okay, so I'm actually going to go for kitchen items over here, right? So I'm going to go for home and appliances. Okay, and then as you can see, we are brought to web advertising home appliances page. Okay, we have advertising here. You can share your generated URL or generated banner. Okay, so basically what you want to do right now is you want to click on copy. You want to copy this URL. So this URL basically will just take whoever clicks on the link to home appliances part of the Jumia Black Friday. So that's basically what this link is about. But if you actually, for example, you have an item where your friends or people actually want to order, basically what you want to do is to open a new web page, go to Jumia, and then when you go to Jumia, you're going to click on the website, and then you look for that item that they actually want to order. Let's say they want to order this microwave, so I'm going to click on this microwave. Okay, so you want to copy the link. You want to copy the link of this microwave. So this is how you're going to copy it. Okay, so you're going to come over here. At the top over here, you want to copy this link. So you just want to double click. Okay, Ctrl C. All right, so what you want to do right now is to go back to that page, that KOL page, and then you come to custom links. Okay, you come to custom links, you click on custom links, Jumia e-commerce, Nigeria, okay, and then you want to insert the URL over here. As you can see, you want to insert that URL, you copy it, so I'm going to insert this, okay, and after that, you can see automatically the link has been generated for me. You can see, right? Okay, so basically what you want to do right now is to copy this link. So I'm going to show you guys a proof that it's actually the link. So we're just going to copy that and paste it. and enter. So basically, immediately when someone clicks on this link, they are coming to this exact page, and immediately they buy this exact product, you'll be getting a commission from the payments. Okay, so that's how basically it works. That's how you can actually earn through this Jumia affiliate program. So now let me explain things better. Anytime you also want to personally order things from Jumia, make sure you're ordering it from a separate account, okay? So now when you want to order that item, you go back to your KOL account, create a link for that item, and then use that your order account to click on it. So basically, as you're paying for that item through Jumia, you're also getting part of it in return from your order KOL account. I want to believe you understand this statement I just made. So it's basically logic. This is just basically logic. You want to ensure you're getting part of that money back, and at the same time, you're also sharing this link to to people, to your friends, to families, to actually click on it, and then you make your money. So guys, that brings us to the end of this beginning training for the Jumia affiliate marketing, how to make money through the Jumia affiliate marketing program. So I want to believe you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you actually enjoyed this content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.